The run functionality is accessible on public protocols in the view, which we are currently in, and can also be accessed in the file manager by selecting the protocol and selecting run on the right side menu. Every action you take in the run mode is being time-stamped, allowing you to exactly track back your experiment. Once your experiment is completed, you can save the recorded data in your file manager. You can also keep your experiment records private or share them with others. Run your protocol as a checklist by tapping on the box on the right of the step once you have completed the step. You can also modify the record of any step by clicking Edit or adding notes. This does not modify the underlying protocol, it only records the change for this particular execution of it. Once you are done, click Save at the top of the page and select the folder that you would like the run to be saved to. Once the saving is done, the protocol experiment and the changes you made are recorded in your file manager. You can add notes and attach files to the recorded run, and every step of the experiment receives a timestamp, which allows you to go back to the experiment at any time to see the exact record of what was done. You can keep your experiments private or share them with others. You can also run protocols either in the browser of your computer or mobile device through our free Android and iOS app.